Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you the most useful and most underrated section of Instagram, the DM section. So let's get started with the video. The DM section is the most misunderstood section on Instagram because people think like it's just like the spam comments messaging you or like people who are like teasing you or stuff like that, and it's not it's not that useful, so people don't use it. That's actually not true. People have made thousands of dollars through DM section. And let me tell you the 4 steps you can take to make a lot of money from DM section, to bring in more organic traffic to your page through DM section, because this is the most it's like LinkedIn on Instagram. Like you can literally message any freaking person on the internet, and I don't know why you're not using it. So let's get started with step number 1. You will go to the search bar, type in business, and what you'll see all of the businesses over here on Instagram. There are like hundreds of them. What you will do, you go to the recent, and you will find businesses. And what you will do, you can just swipe and try to find a legitimate business. You can go down, you can see, and for example, we can do this one. We go in, we see, okay, this is like a kitchen or cooking thing. They're going on. What you will do, you'll click on their website. That's their website. You click on their website. The next thing is you'll check their website, whether it's a good website or not. Let it load it down. See, there you go. That's their website. See that? And if you think their website is not good, it's not okay, what you will do, you can check their website, prepare like some stuff like, hey, maybe your like menu section is not that good. Hey, like maybe you can put some other post, and then what you will do, you go back, you click on the message, and you'll message them. Literally, you'll message them. But remember one thing, they have leverage on you. You need the work. They don't need the work. You need the work. So what you will do, so remember, give them a value. So what you will do, say, hey, how's it going? I am a website developer, and I see what you guys are doing. It's great, but I think your website needs improvement, and I can definitely help you with that. And I can guarantee you, with my work, you will get more clients. Let me know if you are interested. Thank you. And what are you gonna do? Send. Boom, there you go. So you will repeat this step 50 to 100 times per day. I mean, like, you can imagine DMing 100 businesses, like telling them you can make their website and you will charge us what, like $150 or something. And what if only 20 businesses says yes? You can get a lot of money from this. So this is how you can work using Instagram and making a lot of money by working for other businesses. And this is not just for businesses, you can do for anything. Like if you do logo designing, if you have a service like you're a soccer coach, a life coach, a speaker, and you want to speak with some event or something, you can do, and anything is possible through DM. It's like LinkedIn on Instagram, so use it wisely. So this is the step number 1, how to find work. Now on we go to step number 2. Step 2 is actually for businesses who want to promote their product through big influencers on Instagram. Let me show you how you can do this. So if you're a business, what do you have to do? You go to search. Suppose you are like a fitness business, you have like a product related to fitness. You type in fitness. You'll see all of the fitness motivation, fitness and everything. For example, we go to fitness motivation, and here we have to go to the top section, not the recent. So this is the top section. This is the top. For example, we click over here. Click on this one, and we can see it loaded up. We can see he have like 3,360 followers. It's okay, it's not that bad. Okay, and he's like a performer, assistant choreographer, and he do like weightlifting and stuff. So he's perfect if you are doing if you have a fitness product. What you will do, you just go message, hey, what's up, man? Love what you are doing. Our business came out with a new product, and we will love to send you the product for free in return of you showing it to your followers. That's it. Boom. And he will say yes. Like he will, like if he says like, hey, I want like a payment to, it will not be more than $50 or $100, and you can send him the product. He'll show it to his 3,000 followers. If only 50 to 60 people out of those 3,000 followers buys your product, boom, there you go. And you can, and literally you can repeat this stuff from like go to fitness section or any section. Literally you can repeat this stuff over and over again, like messaging like, for example, 200 people per day, like, hey, my new product has came out, I want to sell this product, I want to like promote this product, I'll give you the product for free. In return, you can just show them to more people. Out of 100, 200 people, 20 says yes, and they have like 3,000 followers, 10,000 followers, 200,000 followers, and then boom, you are in business. This is the game-changing stuff. So absolutely go for this. Step number 3 is for local businesses. Whether you are a barbershop, a cookie store, or anything, if you're local in your city, let me show you how you can leverage DM section and get a lot of customers in your store and be popular in your town. So let's see how you can do that. So what I'm about to tell you, for all the local businesses, this is totally a game changer. So what do you have to do, like how you can leverage DM groups like this, DM section, you go to places. Okay, for example, you are a barbershop and you're located in New York. So what you will do, you type in New York, and there you'll see New York City. For example, like you're in like Brooklyn area, okay? Brooklyn, New York. Go, and for this thing you have to go to the top section. I mean, you can go to the recent section also, but top will be much better. So for example, this is the top section. This is a lady, she's in Brooklyn, New York, okay? You're a barber. She got like, how many followers she have? Just check it out. 75,000 followers. What you can do with her, you simply go to the message section, type in, and she is freaking verified. What you will do, say, hey, love your page, I own a barbershop in Brooklyn, New York, and I would love to give you a free haircut. Just visit us anytime. Oh my god, just visit us anytime. Just visit us anytime to get a free haircut. And you can like also like tell your specialty and everything. And out of if you DM 200 to 300 people in your town, in your local town, out of those 300 people, what if like 50 to 45 people says yes, they love a free haircut? What's the next step? The best step, when they will come for a free haircut, like these people love to like show things like, hey, we got a haircut from this thing, hey, we got a this and this. What they will do, they'll come, they'll open up their phone and they'll say, hey, look, I got a free haircut from this salon, it's great, I love it, and stuff like that. And they have like a lot of followers, right? Then what happened when people will see, like, if she's gone to this Brooklyn barbershop, this might be really good, and people will start coming in and you'll be making a lot of money. This is a game-changing strategy. So this is how local businesses can get more customers by providing a free haircut for one person, that person coming in, showing their followers this is the best barbershop and stuff like that, and then you get more clients. Any local businesses can do this strategy. Now on we go to the last step. The last step is how you can DM big celebrities. So on we go to this part. So in this part, I'm gonna tell you a simple way how you can give value. And I'm not gonna say every time you message it will work, but it will definitely work if you don't give up. What you'll say, you can reach out to big celebrities if you're like doing a volunteer show to bring them in, and if you want to work for them, if you anything, what you will do. For example, we go to The Rock. And Rock has a freaking 131 million followers. I know he'll get like probably thousands of DM daily, but those DMs are not giving value to Rock. Nothing, no value to Rock. They're just like, hey, we are your fan, nice, bye, or something like this. Hey, I like your picture and stuff like that. But what if you can type in and say, hey Rock, how's it going? I love what you are doing with your Instagram, but you know that Cristiano, oh my god, I can't type today. You know that Ronaldo have more Ronaldo have almost 155 million followers, which is much more than your followers, but I can help by creating custom videos for you, which can boost up your following, and within months you can cross Ronaldo and be the most followed person on Instagram. Let me know if you are interested. So what you did over here, you didn't message him and told him that you are like his big fan, stuff like that. You came straight to the point and you gave him value, like, hey, you have like less followers than Cristiano Ronaldo. He's like the top followed person on Instagram, and I can help you with building custom videos where I can show you like your stunts, I can show you a movie and thing like more clearly and more like with good cinematic footage and stuff like that, to bring in more followers and create more traffic to your page, so you can beat Cristiano Ronaldo in like less than in some months. This way you are, and I'm not saying every time it's gonna work, but this thing surely works. If you're gonna like, you can go to The Rock or any major celebrities and type in like, the basic thing is to give them value. And if they'll see your DM and they'll see it's not like in any other DM, it's like special, they're giving us value, they will reach out to you. And this is how you use DM section. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and peace.